Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about the integration of s to the power of n dx. We have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c in here. So this one we put number 2 on here, and we have number 2 plus 1 equals to number 3. So we have s to the power of 3 over 3, and we put the bounds from 0 to 2022 minus the integration from 0 to 2022, and we have the step function I will put in here. So I will put 2022 on here, number 0 on here. So we need to simplify this one. Now we just have this one left. So before we calculate about this one, we need to consider about this function in here and this function in here. This is about the floor function. This is about the ceiling. Now if we graph about this one, so from 0 to number 1, they will go in here. Now when s equals to number 1, they will go to here. This is for number 2. Now for this one, the graph should be like this. So we know that the purpose about this integration, that is about find the area under the curve. So If we do this integration, that means this area in here multiplied by this area in here based on from the interval. So this is about 0 multiplied by number 1 because the area from 0 to number 1 of this one, that is about number 1. From 1 to number 2, that's about 1. So 1 multiplied by number 1, so we have number 1 in here. So the next one, from 1 to number 2, that is about number 1. But on this one, that is about number 2. Number 2 multiplied by number 1, we have number 2. This one, that is about number 3. This one, that is about number 2. So when we do this integration, that should be like this: 0 multiplied by number 1. Number 1 multiplied by number 2. Number 2 multiplied by number 3, and so on until 2021 multiplied by 2022. So we know that this one, that is about 0. So we just concentrate about this one. And we have the formula of this one. So in this situation, n equal to 2021. So we can write the answer in here. So we combine this one. And we have 674. That is the end. Thank you for watching.